I'll be showing how to make a wonderful fruit drink that will help to improve your brain health. So stay tuned. Drink, I'll be making use of watermelon, beetroots, pomegranate, and grape. This drink is so good because it will keep you hydrated, so your body will enjoy all the nutrients from the fruits and vegetable. So to make this drink, I'll be making use of juicer. If you don't have a juicer, you can just cut all the fruit and vegetable, add it into the blender, blend until smooth, then sieve to get the juice.